Hidden deep in a swamp lies tiny Biskitt Castle. Home of the smallest dogs in the world, the Biskitts. For years, kings have entrusted their royal treasure to these pups. Now, from a nearby castle, rules the wasteful King Max.
Checker! We must find the royal treasure!
What?
Checker!
Oh, yes, sire.
Biskitts!
The smell is making me sick as a dog, Wags. What do we need this stuff for anyway?
Swamp muck makes great fertilizer, Shiner. We can grow a lot more crops with it.
Oh! I hear it's also great for the complexion. Huh, lady? Oh, really?
This stuff's heavy.
Bump is right. Whew. How about a rest? I'm bushed.
Why not? We better go.
Aw, but we just stopped.
Scratch!
Now let's go.
All aboard. Get us out of here.
Oh, we're goners.
Almost had them. What rotten luck. I could almost taste those biscuits. Hello, Scratch! Well, if it isn't my cousin Itch. Yeah! I just thought I'd drop by your dreary old swamp for a tasty breakfast. How you fixed for biscuits? Well, see, it's like this. They live on this island, see? Yeah. And it's kind of hard to find. You mean you haven't caught them yet? Oh, I'm disappointed in you, cousin. I could catch him any time. I'm the fastest, strongest, meanest wildcat in the spot. And furthermore, What?
Safe at home.
Run! Scratch is on Biskit Island!
Biscuit Island? Hot dog!
We're doomed.
Phew! Safe at last!
Gotcha!
He's got wiggle. Come on.
Hey, Shiner, you're going the wrong way. No, I'm not.
He's climbing the tower! We gotta do something! Fast! No, you don't! Oh! Hang on! Let's catapult this cat!
Ooh!
Here he comes! There. How's that? Very entertaining. However, dear cousin, I must point out that you didn't bag a single biscuit. Picky, picky, picky.
What do we do? Something's gotta be done about Scratch.
This might do the trick. A collar and a bell.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, that's a good idea. That way we'll always know where Scratch is. He'll never surprise us again.
But how do we get the collar around Scratch's neck? All we need is one terribly brave biscuit.
Did I hear someone ask for a terribly brave biscuit?
You mean you're volunteering?
Volunteering for what?
Oh, Shiner, you're terrific.
Well, I don't like to brag, but
Here you go, Shiner. Good luck.
what do I do with this?
Just put it around Scratch's neck, of course.
Oh, of course. Silly me. Just put it around Scratch's neck. Oh, now, let's not be hasty, gang.
Just what do you mean, Shiner?
I'm on my way. But I'm not going alone. Whoa!
Oh, he's asleep.
I wish I was. Then this would all just be a bad dream. Shh. Abandoned wildcats!
Hey, what?
Look out! It was easy. I just grabbed Scratch by one ear, and I held him down, and I put the collar around his neck.
I don't know. It all sounds too easy to me.
You're sure he's belled, Shiner?
Would I fib?
Who are we the cats meow? Not only can't you catch any biscuits, but you let them put a bell around your neck. Dry up. Bell by a biscuit. I can't stand this. Speaking of biscuits, I smell some coming this way.
Now that we've got some more supplies, we can head for home.
It's Scratch!
I thought Shiner belled him.
Let's get out of here.
They call me Scratch? Oh, well.
He's gaining on us.
It's enough to drive you mad!
I thought you said you belled Scratch.
But...
Don't try to pull the fur over our eyes, Shiner.
I should have known your bark is bigger than your bite.
I'll go with you.
I knew something would go wrong.
Getting hot under the collar, cousin? Don't give me the cat laugh again, Itch. I don't see you buried in biscuits. Yeah? Well, just you wait.
A good thing Spinner was able to come up with another collar.
Now we've got to find Scratch.
Will I do instead?
Scratch!
No, it's not. Look, the right thing is broken.
Oh, you noticed. I think I'll take you back to show Cousin Scratch.
I'm worried. Wags and Screech have been gone a long time.
They might need help. Maybe we better find out. Come on. Come on, Shiner.
No way! I did my part. I'm not doing no more.
Oh, yes, you are.
Look! The collar!
Hey, these are wildcat tracks.
Looks like Scratch got them instead of them getting Scratch. Let's go.
Oh, cousin! Huh? How about a nice biscuit brunch? Take your pick. After you admit who's the best biscuit hunter in the swamp, of course.
Wags, look! Scratch is wearing the collar.
Shiner was telling the truth.
I'll get some berries to go with them.
Well, twist my tail. There are 2 wildcats.
Berries go good.
Quick, ring that bell. I've got an idea.
Row! Row! What's that crazy cousin of mine gotten himself into now? Hang around till I get back. Oops! What do you know? Free at last!
Hurry down!
Thanks, Biskitts. Now let's get out of here before...
Before what, Biskitts? Down the hatch, Biskit!
Before you eat me, I just want you to know that I don't believe all those horrible things Scratch said about you.
Have you been tucking behind my tail, you feline fleabag? No! And anyway, nothing I could say would be as bad as the truth. Oh, yeah? Put him up!
Run! So, you did bell Scratch after all. It looks like we all owe you an apology, Shiner.
You're doggone right. Here, I'll show you how I did it. I went right up to Scratch. I grabbed him by his whiskers. Hey, are you watching this? And whoa!
Go on.
Whoa! And that's how I did it.
Next time we need anybody belled, Shiner, we'll be sure to come to you.
Right, sweet.
Oh my goodness, I see a falling star.
It's no falling star. It's a flaming arrow.
And it's coming this way! Duck, Biskitts! We gotta put it out! Come on! Water Brigade! This should do it! Whoa! Whoa!
Hooray for Wags! That was real clever, Wags. Well, at least the fire's out, and you're all right.
Hey, we've got company.
Oh, the poor thing. Something's driven them out of the swamp.
And I suppose we're going to find out what.
Doggone right! Let's go, Biskitts!
There's trouble ahead for sure.
I smell humans.
Yeah, and horses.
Swampquake!
It's worse than that. Look!
An army!
And horses.
You see, trouble.
Come on, Scat.
We were nearly biscuit crumbs.
I recognize the sign on their shields. They're King Otto's knights.
Oh, no. He must be invading King Max's kingdom. No wonder all the animals are fleeing the swamp.
Yeah, let's flee too.
Not so fast! We better find out what's going on.
I was afraid he'd say that.
Well, looks like another dull day. That's what you get when you have a swamp for a kingdom and a motley group of attendants.
Sire,
Sorry, sire. I have a bulletin.
This had better be good, clown.
There's somebody outside to see you.
At this hour? All right, who's... there?
Surrender, Max. I want your treasure for myself, and I'm going to have it.
But I don't have it, you see. There are these little dogs called Biskitts who have it.
Loudmouth!
Tall tales about little dogs won't save you now. Surrender, or this is a taste of what's in store for your kingdom.
Oh, my God.
the swamp! They'll burn it to the ground!
We'll lose our cover.
What'll we do?
Come on!
We need water. A lot of it.
This beaver dam should put the fire out.
If we can break the dam, these beavers build well.
Beavers? That gives me an idea. All right, how's that?
And hooray for Mooch!
You want fire? I'll show you fire. Sick a moat monster.
You've got till noon, Max, or it's Cinder City.
Oh, we can't let Otto burn down the swamp. What do we do?
Let's sneak into Otto's tent and see if we can learn anything more.
Are you crazy? I'm taking the next frog back to Biscuit Island.
Look on the bright side, Shiner. Maybe Otto's a dog lover.
Soon, Geraldine, I'll have the treasure, and I'll be the richest king in these parts.
But, Father...
And you the richest princess.
Oh,
Oh, dear. What to do?
Shh.
Achoo!
Who's there? Oh, I must be seeing things.
I just wish she wasn't seeing us.
We're done for. Yikes!
Who are you?
We're Biskitts, and we're not gonna let you burn down our swamp.
Oh, I don't want my father to make war on the Biskitts or anyone else.
You
You
don't?
don't?
No, I hate war. Oh, if there was only a way to stop him.
Maybe there is, but we'll need your help.
Well, what can I do?
Listen, here's my plan.
Fetch me some water, soldier.
Yes, your ladyship.
You're sure this'll work, Wags?
Sure, we leave a challenge from Max to Otto on Otto's tent, and then we send one from Otto to Max.
We can send the note on this arrow.
Thanks, Cat. Oops! Sorry, Downer. I shouldn't have let go, Wags.
Yeah, Bump.
I don't see why I have to wear this tin tuxedo.
Because you have to do something, sire. It's almost noon.
Well, so what? Let Otto burn down the swamp. When he goes away, it'll be that much easier to find the biscuits and the treasure. I've got to rest. Ouch! What was that? A note.
It looks like a challenge, sire.
I hate long flights.
I, King Otto, challenge you, King Max, to personal combat at high noon. The winner gets the loser's riches. Oh, he's one crazy king, if he thinks I'm falling for that. Whoa! I'm staying right here where it's safe.
Good thinking, sire.
I'd better tell Wag. Not that it'll do much good.
Father read the challenge that was supposed to be from King Max.
I'll bet he's worried, huh?
Well, not exactly.
Oh, this may be harder than we thought.
And you haven't even heard the bad news yet. Max won't battle Otto unless he has to.
Then we'll just see that he has to. Let's go.
It's noon, sire.
Well, so it is, yes. It's time for lunch.
But what about the challenge, sire?
I told you, I'm not going out there. I'm safe in here.
Shh.
This castle's got all kinds of secret passages and hidden trapdoors.
Like this one, sire?
Yes. No!
Whoa! How about that? Well, I guess we took care of them.
We did?
Oh, we didn't?
Mud all over my shiny armor. I'm going to enjoy beating you, Max.
Otto, wait! There's been a mistake. You see, I'm not here to battle you. He is.
Sire, how could you?
So easy.
Let's get on with it. Winner take all.
And the loser? Oh.
Looks like we're just in time.
Defend yourself, Max.
War can be hard work.
Okay, guys, now listen.
On guard, miserable Max. Hey, come back here with that. Hey, here's what you do. Never mind. I don't need a sword to defeat the likes of you. Whoa!
No. Huh?
Stand and fight, you cowardly clod.
Max is in trouble.
I'll help you, sire.
Not me, you dingaling. Well, saved by a sticky thicket.
Enough of this. Fire the swamp. Aim for that hill of dry grass.
Oh, no! Look! Fire catapults!
We gotta stop him.
Oh, yeah? Any ideas how?
As a matter of fact, yes. Come on.
Sire, he's going to fire the swamp, and we're stuck in the swamp.
And this is all your fault.
Hurry! We haven't got much time.
Fire!
Look out! Run! It's coming back! Out of the way!
Oh, my goodness!
tents! My supply!
My chance to get out of here!
I'm with you, sire! Help! My armor is dragging me down! Somebody help!
My father! He's in the quick bog!
Hurry, Biskitts! Grab a vine!
Oh!
Hooray!
So, there really are Biskitts.
Yes, and they saved your life, Father.
You're right, Geraldine. We owe these little creatures a great debt. How can I repay you, Biskitts? Name your reward.
We want you to leave our swamp and Max's kingdom alone.
But the treasure?
You don't need another treasure, Father. And besides, you did say they could name their reward.
Well, true. It looks like you get your wish.
Oh, Father, now we can go home.
Goodbye.
Well, it looks like the swamp is safe again.
Yes, and all those darling animals can go back to their homes.
Oh, there they are! Miserable Biskitts, this whole war was your fault.
Scatter! Whoa! The sticky thicket again!
Well, stop them! Get those Biskitts!
Head for home, Biskitts!
Oh! You're stepping on my nose!
I'm trying, sire.
Ow!
Gee, it's sure nice to have everything back to normal again.
Need help, sire?
Just leave me alone.
Well, I'm afraid you're stuck with me, sire. I'm afraid you're stuck.